Hey everyone, my name is Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
And welcome to
Cheno and Alex.
Day 2 here in Vigan City, and we're at coffee break to have our breakfast. Let's go in.
Okay, so we just got our food now, and I got omelette with garlic bread and bacon, and he also got waffles, bacon and egg, and it looks so good. And also, oh my gosh, there's this cucumber lemonade drink, and it's so refreshing. It's perfect for like the vegan hot day. So yeah, we're gonna have breakfast now, fuel up for today. So we're currently here at Irene's empanada place, and Jan and Jules trying it. What flavor did you get? It's just pork?
It's a pork. I think
So-
it's longanisa.
Yeah, so they're trying the longanisa. We actually tried it the day before. It was actually really good. I'm so glad I got to try it. It's a little bit oily though, which I'm not a fan of, but I think I want to try a different flavor this time. So we might go to another spot for the empanadas.
We've actually gone off the main street, but we're at another Irene's empanada. We're hoping to get some flavored ones here. We'll see if they have them, because I think Alex wants to try it out.
There's a flavor.
So I just got chicken empanada this time because I tried the longanisa before from here actually. It was really good, like I said, but I want to try a different flavor this time.
A few moments later.
So I got the empanada now, and it's actually really warm, so I'm gonna try that later. But right now we're just looking at like souvenirs, and I want to get a magnet just to have a souvenir. So this is 35 pesos each, or 3 for 100. Let's pick some. Friend. Okay, so I got this one. It has the architecture of the vegan city. I really like the architecture here, that's why I picked this one. So we found this really cute magnet as well. It's like the carriage. It's right here.
Like that.
It's so cool.
So we've made it to Catalina beach, and it's actually just about a 10 to 15 minutes drive out of Vigan City. So if you want to go to a beach, this is actually not too bad, you guys. It's so empty, and it's supposed to be like a dark gray or black sand.
Yeah.
But because it's so bright, it doesn't look entirely black.
So hopefully you can see it from up above. It's actually such a nice spot, and it's actually so windy right here, so hopefully you can hear us properly.
Yeah.
But the beach is actually so vast,
Yeah,
and
it
there's
stretches
literally
so
no one
long.
here.
Yeah.
Like
We're
we
actually-
haven't seen anyone here.
We're hiding behind the truck right now, so you get some good audio from us.
Oh, look how beautiful that is! Wow.
Oh my goodness. We're on the sand now. Now it actually looks black, like close up, because what we saw from above was sort of like that color, right? Kind of gray, and then you've got the dark sand here. Ooh, look at that. So windy though.
I think when the sand is wet, it goes dark, like totally black sand. It's so cool, and look at that shine. There's literally like a shine to the sand.
So glittery. Hey,
It's
look.
so good. Yeah, look.
Wait, can you guys see?
So
On camera.
shiny. Oh my gosh, I've never seen like black sand before. This is so cool.
The sand is actually super soft as well. Like it's super fine sand. I don't know how else I can define it. But even the water is so nice and blue. I'm not sure if we're gonna go into this one because we're actually going to another beach about 45 minutes from Vigan City. So I think that one will go in. And for our next stop, or final stop, we're here at Suso Beach. We were actually here on the way to Vigan City. We went for a quick stop and we were like, wow, this is a stunning beach. Let me show you. So empty. Look, there is literally no one else here. That stretch of beach, that is crazy. Yeah guys, it's so nice here. Look at that water, oh my my goodness. How good does that look? Oh shoot!
Just went in the water, and now I'm actually gonna try the empanada that we bought earlier. So it's not as crispy anymore, but I'll give it a try. That's like the oil. But we have suka as well, which is vinegar. Put a bit of vinegar.
Taste it. How is it?
This is the chicken, and I actually like it more because it's not as like fatty as the longanisa that we tried before. Yeah, this one's so yummy. And when you put the vinegar as well, I think it's their own special vinegar here in Vegan.
Nice. This beach is just so stunning, super quiet as well. Maybe it's not too popular of a stop because it is next to sort of like a main road,
Yeah.
maybe a highway even, but it's just such a long stretch of beach, as you can see from the drone shots, and no one's here. The place we parked by, there's actually an establishment, so you can dine in there. They sell like pancit, chips,
You're like
drinks.
Filipino food, I guess.
So this is actually a nice spot if you want somewhere quiet, not a whole lot of crowds. What do you think of the waves?
The waves just reminds me of like Australia. Literally right here in the north, the beaches are good for surfers, like this one.
Yeah.
And it just reminds me of Australia, and the water is actually so clear as well.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in one more time.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks insane, that backdrop.
Yeah.
Can you, oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
We're kind of just done here now at Suso Beach. I just was taking photos, kind of the landscape. Not really trying to get anything in particular, but just to be creative and be inspired.
So we're gonna go back to our accommodation in Vegan, and we're also gonna have dinner there. It was such a convenient spot for us to stay, so we'll show you that when we get there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've just gotten ready. We're back in our accommodation now, but we want to quickly share to you guys the place that we're staying at. So we're here in Vegan City. It's called the River House. So it's actually by the river, which
Yeah.
has such a nice ambiance to it.
It's about like a 5 to 10 minute drive
Yeah,
from the city.
The city,
It's
yeah.
not too far, but it's kind of like secluded, so
Yeah.
you get some peace and quiet here.
Yeah, we want to share it to you guys because it's just so convenient for us. And there's actually like a bistro / restaurant
Yeah.
just down here as well. So it's called Govantis Bistro, and we've actually just been like purchasing lunch, dinner, breakfast
Yeah.
here because it's just so convenient.
Let's do a quick tour of like this restaurant backyard area.
So it's obviously nighttime and you can't see much, but it's actually such a nice spot because there's a lot of like swing set and just a really nice ambiance to it. So this is where we've been like chilling pretty much most of the days. Yeah, and there's like a pond in the middle there,
Yeah,
and then a
so
river,
cool.
which is so cool.
So you can actually dine. You see the tables at the end there? You can dine right by the pond, and they've got lights everywhere too. So how awesome is that? So much space. See, there's a hammock there. There's another hammock on that side. So as you walk down, there's actually more seatings across the pond. So let me show you.
So there's also seating right by the pond across, and it's just so romantic actually. Like you can have
Yeah.
your date nights here, bring your like friends, your family. It's just so peaceful, which I love. And I think we're gonna grab dinner soon, and they've actually got like a vast selection of food as well,
There's so much on the
which
menu.
is so cool. And it's really affordable too.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we've ordered our dinner for tonight, which is an all-star platter. It's got
Hot chips, 2 types of hot chips. and then nachos, lumpiang Shanghai, chicken wings, and just like a BLT. Yeah, sandwich.
And this platter costs 500 pesos.
Yeah.
We also got a drink. This is a large cucumber lemon fruit shake.
Yeah.
So this one is
140.
160 pesos. So you can actually purchase some really good like priced meals here at Govante's Bistro. We hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I know it was a lot slower, but there's really not much to do in Vigan City, and so we wanted to explore the beaches. So if you wanted to get out of town and have a more slower paced day, that's what you can kind of do.
We had such an amazing time here in Vigan City, and I actually didn't expect it to be this beautiful.
Yeah.
No wonder it's one of the 7 wonder cities of the world. So if you get a chance, come visit Vigan City to see it for yourself.
So if you enjoyed this video, leave it a like, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next vlog because there's more to come in this Luzon trip. Bye!
See ya!